Hello coders! In today's video, we are going to solve the seventh problem of famous Leetcode SQL 50 playlist. Today's problem is product sales analysis. Let's dive into the video. First, let's understand the table schema. There are two tables, sales and product. The sales table has five columns, sales ID, product ID, year, quantity and price. All are integer values. And the product ID has two columns, product ID and product name. Here we are going to learn two basic concepts in SQL, which are primary key and foreign key. A primary key is a unique key value which should not have any null values or duplicate value, which is very useful to identify each rows in a table. Here, product ID is a unique value which is given to each product. And foreign key. Foreign key is a kind of primary key. The only exception is the foreign key is used to refer the unique rows of a table in other table. For example, the product ID present in the product table is a primary key, where in a case the product ID present in the sales table is called as a foreign key. The product ID is a primary key, but if it is present in some other table, it is called as a foreign key. I hope it is clear. Let us understand the problem statement. Write a solution to report the product name, year and price for each sales ID and the sales table. Return the resulting table in any order. Okay. Here they have asked to return the product name, year and price. The product name column is present in the products table and the year and price columns are present in the sales table. So we have to join both the tables to retrieve these values. They have asked for the details for each sales ID. So we will return the sales ID number of rows in the result table, which that is the sales table has 3 rows. So we will return 3 rows in the result. I hope the question is clear. Let's dive into the query. Select. We have to mention the table name and the column name. The first one is product name. So product dot product name, comma, sales dot year, then sales dot price. From sales join product on what is a common column? Product dot product ID equal to sales dot product ID. Let's try to run the code. The code is accepted. Before submitting the code, I would like to give you a small tip. Here, instead of using the table names as sales and product fully, you can use aliases. For example, for sales, you can give yes or as yes. Both works. And I'll use both of you for reference. You can name it as sales as yes or sales yes. Both works. So instead of writing the full names of each table, you can use it as P dot product name, S dot year, S price, and sales. This code looks more easier. Let's try to run it again. It is accepted. Let's try to submit it. The code is submitted successfully. Thank you for watching.